Hey y'all, it's Stacy White with TreBella Wigs. So I have some very exciting news. I hope that you guys are excited to hear it. I've been asked a lot over the years about classes, about doing training classes. Yes, I am doing one-on-one training classes. If you want to know the business aspect, everything involved, you can come and sit down with me about wig making and have access to someone that has 10 years of experience in this business. That's something that you really, really need if you're looking to start a business or take your business to the next level. So hopefully you guys will be interested and we can meet each other and we can say hi to each other and I can impart some of my wisdom on you guys and let you know the ins and outs and the do's and don'ts. If you are interested, please visit the website.